In this video, I'll show you how to change mouse speed and mouse sensitivity on Windows 11. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. If you'd love to change your mouse speed or your mouse sensitivity for any reasons, what we're going to do right now, click on this, right? Click on the settings. Once I've clicked on the settings, wait for it to load up. Once it has opened up, you're going to click on this Bluetooth and devices, right? You're going to scroll down, you're going to click on the mouse. Right now, this is where you can either change your mouse sensitivity or your mouse speed, right? So if I take this to the highest, you can see how fast my mouse is currently going to be moving, right? Then if I take this to the least, you can see how slow my mouse is going to be moving, right? So this is how you can change your mouse sensitivity, mouse speed in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm going to see you all in the very next one.